Emotions are an integral aspect of the human experience, shaping our perceptions, decisions, and interactions with the world around us. This tapestry of feelings encompasses a wide range of experiences, from joy and love to sadness and fear. Exploring the realm of emotions involves delving into the psychological, physiological, and social dimensions that contribute to our complex emotional landscape. The nature of emotions. Emotions are complex, multifaceted phenomena that involve a combination of psychological, physiological, and behavioral responses. Psychologists often categorize emotions into primary and secondary groups. Primary emotions, such as happiness, sadness, anger, fear, and surprise, are considered universal and are thought to be hardwired into the human brain. Secondary emotions, on the other hand, emerge from the interplay of primary emotions and cultural, social, or individual factors. Physiological basis. The physiological basis of emotions involves intricate interactions between the brain, the nervous system, and various hormones. The amygdala, a key component of the brain's limbic system, plays a central role in processing and regulating emotions, particularly fear and pleasure. Neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, also contribute to the modulation of emotional experiences. Cognitive appraisal. Cognitive appraisal, a concept developed by psychologist Richard Lazarus, emphasizes the role of our thoughts and interpretations in shaping emotional responses. How we perceive and interpret events influences the emotional meaning we assign to them. For instance, a challenging situation may evoke different emotions based on an individual's subjective appraisal and coping mechanisms. The role of culture. Culture significantly influences the expression and interpretation of emotions. Societal norms, values, and communication styles shape how individuals express and understand feelings. For example, some cultures may encourage the open expression of emotions, while others may emphasize emotional restraint. Understanding these cultural nuances is crucial for effective cross-cultural communication. Social dimensions. Emotions are not isolated experiences but are deeply embedded in social interactions. Social psychology explores how individuals' emotions are influenced by others and how emotional expression serves social functions. Concepts like empathy, emotional contagion, and social norms contribute to the intricate web of interpersonal emotional dynamics. Emotional intelligence. The ability to recognize, understand, and manage one's own emotions and the emotions of others is termed emotional intelligence. Developed by psychologist Daniel Goleman, emotional intelligence is considered a crucial aspect of personal and social competence. It involves skills such as self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, and effective interpersonal communication. Emotions and decision-making. Emotions play a vital role in decision-making processes. Research suggests that emotions can influence the way we assess risks, make choices, and engage in problem-solving. The interplay between rational thought and emotional responses is a complex area of study that has implications for fields ranging from economics to neuroscience. Emotional disorders. While emotions are a natural part of the human experience, disturbances in emotional regulation can lead to emotional disorders. Conditions such as depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorder involve dysregulation of mood and emotion. Understanding the neurobiological and psychological underpinnings of these disorders is crucial for developing effective therapeutic interventions. In the vast landscape of human emotions, there is a rich tapestry of experiences that shape our thoughts, actions, and relationships. From the physiological processes in the brain to the social dynamics that influence emotional expression, the study of emotions is a multidisciplinary endeavor. As our understanding of emotions continues to evolve, so too does our ability to navigate the intricate realm of human experience with empathy, self-awareness, and resilience.